The truth about passive income. Passive income. People claiming you can make money while you sleep. Work only a few hours a week and watch the money roll in. But here's the truth most people won't tell you. Passive income is real, but it's not as passive as people think. In this video, we're going to break down the real truth about passive income, how it actually works. What passive income really means. Passive income simply means money you earn without actively trading time for every dollar. Unlike a normal job, where you work hours and get paid once, passive income allows you to earn money repeatedly from work you already did. For example, a book that continues selling, a rental property collecting rent, investments that pay dividends. But here's the important part. Most passive income streams require work upfront. Many people online skip this part. They make it sound easy. But the reality is that passive income usually starts as active work first. Why most people fail at passive income? The biggest reason people fail with passive income is unrealistic expectations. They believe things like, I'll make money immediately. I won't have to do any work. I'll get rich quickly. But the truth is, most passive income streams take months or even years to build. Think of it like planting a tree. At first, nothing seems to happen, but over time, it grows into something that produces fruit. Passive income works the same way. You plant the seed today, and the rewards come later. The most common passive income streams. Let's look at some of the most common passive income sources wealthy people use. 1. Investing in stocks. One of the easiest passive income methods is investing. Certain stocks pay dividends, which means companies pay investors part of their profits. If you own enough dividend stocks, you can receive payments every quarter. Some investors eventually earn thousands per year just from dividends. Real estate. Real estate is one of the most popular passive income strategies. Rental properties generate monthly income from tenants. Of course, owning property requires effort. You may have repairs, maintenance, or tenants to manage, but many investors hire property managers, so the income becomes mostly passive. Digital products. Digital products are another powerful form of passive income. Examples include online courses, ebooks, templates, photography, music. Once created, these products can sell repeatedly without needing to be recreated each time. Content creation platforms like YouTube allow creators to earn passive income through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships. Many videos continue generating views and income years after they were uploaded. The passive income myth. Here's the part most influencers don't say. Almost all passive income streams require one of two things: time or money. Either you invest money into investments, or time building something that earns money later. There is rarely a situation where someone starts with nothing and immediately earns passive income. Successful passive income usually comes from consistent effort over time. How beginners can start. If you're new to passive income, here's a simple path. Step 1. Focus on increasing your income. The more money you earn, the more you can invest. Step 2. Start investing consistently. Even $50 or $100 a month invested can grow significantly over time. Step 3. Build assets. Assets are things that make you money. Examples include investments, businesses, digital products, real estate. Over time, these assets begin producing income for you. The truth about passive income is simple. It's not magic, it's not instant, and it's definitely not effortless. But it is possible. The people who succeed with passive income understand one thing. They focus on building assets that pay them over time. And once those assets grow, money starts working for them. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about how to build wealth, invest wisely, and create multiple streams of income, subscribe to the channel. Because the sooner you start building assets, the sooner your money can start working for you. Thanks for watching.